pushing. This is way more teamfight focused. They played Katarina in week 9 and they did the same. Yes, they were pushing early on to get that.
You didn't like it because Unicorns did not have a strong laning presence.
The game that gave Unicorns of Love enough gold to hit that point and be strong enough. SK Gaming is a team who's shown multiple times if you give them an early lead.
You've got Gragas and Kog'Maw coming up. That's level 6 with Living Artillery. We do see an instant flash away from Svenskeren as Vizicsacsi's now joining the fight. Freddy does have access to that Maelstrom, is going to pop it down. Forced a flash in reply. As we do see Kikis making his way towards this bottom lane. It looks like he's going to come in for a gank. His body slammed over. That's a flash barrel. Forgiven is going to flash away from that Dark Binding. Continues to get chased down. Less than 100 HP as Hylissang and Kikis will look for that last hit. Hylissang doesn't even go for the kill. Lets Kikis secure it. Significantly lower wards. And we'll see whether or not this lack of vision comes to hurt SK. They've rushed the dragon down so quickly. It is secured by Kikis. He throws in the barrel of the smite and picks up dragon number 1. He failed flashes. He face plants and Chachi drops him down with the help of Power of Evil. Now SK are scattering to the wind. Unicorns of Love are trying to grab control of this series. Freddy is going to get chopped down by the Lumberjack and the rest of the Unicorns as Svenskeren and Forgiven are trying to back away. 3 kills, a dragon and 1,000 gold. This is exactly what the ponies wanted.
Gonna wish for a better start. Vizicsacsi here. Not really feeling too much in trouble. Gets to back away as well. So the
extra cooldown spam.
Like this ward here. You can TP to it if you manage to connect the binding from Chachi. There's one on Enrated.
There's the TP. Here comes Vizicsacsi. Enrated throws down the tidal wave, but it's not going to be enough. No support yet from Vizicsacsi. This turns it into a 3-on-2. Freddy is in the back line, but here comes Svenskeren. No available support from the rest of the Unicorns. 3-on-3 as they trade kills back and forth. The fade away rocket secures a kill as now Chachi and Vardags are trying to chop down Svenskeren and Freddy. It ends up being a 1-for-2 trade, and Freddy's still sticking around. Defensive Void Rush from Svenskeren as Kikis was shoving down the top lane. 3-0-1, sitting on around 2,000 gold, is about to shop. Picks himself up that Infinity Edge and Berserker's Greaves, unfortunately, by sticking around and being
to do there, but it does mean he's very late for this, and the Unicorns can go 5 versus 1.
Well, it looks like the focus is the tower for until that Dark Binding hits. The Mega Death Rocket comes out. The Power of Evil secures the kill. Svenskeren, you've gone in without any help. That's a double kill to Power of Evil. The bubble falls short because of the Petrifying Gaze, and Sven, you were on the wrong side of that team fight. Ultimate's so much easier to land. Take a look at this. Aggressive play into Svenskeren. The charge goes backwards. Sven forced to tunnel to safety. The Death Rocket gets interrupted as Fox throws down the Petrifying Gaze. Now Unicorns are split. This could be bad for them. Kikis is zoning away 3 members of SK in the background. Hylissang has gone down. Boom. Here comes Chachi. He curves the bullet, spins around a corner, and is now taking up 3. Pops the shield to pop Svenskeren. Here comes Power of Evil. He's low on mana, but blue buff is ticking away. Vizicsacsi roars of the Slayer, and he's going to slam down the Decimating Smash. Not quickly enough as Power of Evil secures the kill. It is a 3-for-2.
As he knows the Unicorns are going to go for this dragon here. At least try and trade it. Enrated. He's in problems.
I think well, if Kog'Maw was going to eat anybody, he's going to eat the walking sushi. Now he's setting sights on Forgiven. That's a big hit, but watch the mana pool.
A way of getting both Svenskeren and Freddy in at the same time on 2 different targets. Let's see what happens here. Chachi's down.
This is not going to end well. Chachi's in between 5. He will get taken out, but here comes a passive of Sion. Power of Evil hammering away with the artillery from the backline. They're going to trade top laners shortly. The Death Rocket secures the kill. Chachi for Freddy. What is more valuable? Kikis is about to get access to that cast. Baron, let's see what sort of engage there is. Tidal Wave was used from Enrated. That's a very big tool, and Forgiven is not with his team. Hylissang waiting on the crab. He connects with the binding. The artilleries are out, and Power of Evil gets 1 more. Fox gets pinned against the wall, holding on to that Petrifying Gaze. He flashes forward. Hylissang looks away, doesn't get caught, but he will get dropped by the poison. Here comes Forgiven. Forgiven's got Vardags, and Power of Evil is in full retreat with low mana. SK Gaming have turned this fight on its head, and it's been long enough for Vizicsacsi to respawn and to teleport in. At the end of the day, 2 members of Unicorn still down, and SK are now considering the Baron. There's no mana. There's no mana for poke from Power of Evil. But Vizicsacsi is around.
Full HP Sion.
Low health Kickass. Here comes Sion. He misses this time round. Flashes forward. The smash doesn't really connect, but the Roar will slow a few on the retreat. Kickass is still very tanky. 1,000 HP is being melted away. Buster Shot plus Explosive may not be enough, and it's not. Now Power of Evil's flashing away. Somebody get me an oxygen tank. Decimating Smash gets charged up, and Chachi is retreating away. The fight of the ages. Team out. The inner turret in the bottom lane is still standing. And that gold lead becomes less and less as the game progresses. But as I'm busy praising the decision-making, Freddy finds himself really not in the right position. And all of a sudden, Unicorns 35 seconds without their opponent's tank. The Cask is going to force the flash, and that means Enrated is really on the wrong side. Living Artillery is being spammed. He's dodged a few. He can't dodge the last. 2 members down. And all of a sudden, Unicorns of Love are knocking on the door. SK Gaming are forced to let them in. And the crowd erupts in chants. Unicorns with the first inhibitor of the second semi-final.
Unicorns off guard. Vardex is going to do this dragon while the rest of the Unicorns are trying to stop this one. Sven is already being poked down.
Kickass is looking for him.
It's like shooting fish in a barrel when they're standing in there.
Dance, Unicorns are rushing this Baron. Here comes SK. Freddy gets caught by a Dark Binding. Hylissang again. We did see the Cask come up from Kickass. That was a little bit inopportune. Freddy's going to get chopped down first. The front line's away. Vardex manages to avoid the big stun of the Petrifying Gaze. He's going to get excited and force Unicorns back while Power of Evil snipes one more.
Picks.
Oh, Freddy got hurt again.
I just don't understand why teams value banning Annie over Morgana.
When Plane is in the back line. Let's see what Vardex can do. Where is his focus? Not on the tower yet. We do see a Super Mega Death Knocker dropping 2 members of SK super low. And that's going to allow the Unicorns to set themselves up. Fox is down. Hylissang did it again. Vardex and Power of Evil closing this one out. They're going to take the 3rd inhibitor. And they will continue the siege without the damage from Fox. There's not much chance. Forgiven's caught out. We do see the Tidal Wave being thrown to split up the Unicorns as Svenskerin's in the middle of the fight, but he's doing nothing. We do see in the back line, Vardex gets excited, gets a 2nd, looking for a 3rd, is going to get the 3rd before being dropped by the explosive charge. Ladies and gentlemen, the audience is chanting. And they've done it. Game 1 in the best of 5 goes to the Ponies.
Yeah, and just to make sure everyone understands here, we're not long-range snipes. The Morgana is just so important for Unicorns also to prevent the engage.